my pants coughing yesterday, so now I'm like really cautious. That was so hard. I also hit like 30 above my typical output, so I'm feeling really proud of myself right now. All right, let's do a movement club. 29-minute full body strength. This is our new workout of the week for the movement club, and I just filmed it last week. It's a really good one, so let's go. Remembered I need to get something edited by 8 a.m., which is in 6 minutes, so I need to do that really quickly. Okay, yay, finished editing that. Let's make our protein drink. So the girls don't have school, dance, nothing today. So I just wanted to go take the girls to do something fun, but I don't know what that is yet. Options are limited this time of year in Utah because it's like cold out. And I have a feeling all the indoor places are gonna be slammed. My first thought was trampoline park, but June got stitches over the weekend. I'll have to do a story time on that. But she split her chin open, had to get some stitches, so I don't really know if I want her bouncing around on trampolines with a bunch of kids right now. We do not need to split that thing open again. Anyways, that's gonna be it for our morning routine. Thanks for spending it with me.